Even as an artist, it can be challenging to find time to paint. I have to be intentional and creative in getting it on my schedule. On the other hand, I rarely find a planner that is customized for everything I need. Hi, I'm Chris V, and I've discovered a bit of a hack to include both: creating my own abstract watercolor planners. I have a designated planner for all my appointments and other business stuff, but I wanted a non-digital planner that I could put my own stamp on. And I find it helps me get inspired when I have creative block. It allows me to create custom planning pages, plus it relaxes me when I'm feeling stressed. And if you've been following my other abstract watercolor painting classes, you'll know how relaxing and meditative it can be. It may sound complicated to create an abstract watercolor planner, but it doesn't have to be. I'll show you my process from start to finish, including art supplies I use, storyboarding, types of planner pages you can include, and how to make your own watercolor stickers, and more. I'll even show you how to deal with those occasional watercolor mishaps. This class is for beginning to intermediate watercolor painters looking to get away from the grind, get inspired, and get organized. So you ready? I'll see you in the next video to get started.